Hello, Rebecca Rowntree here with Costa Tropical Properties. I'm pleased to announce the launch of this listing, which is an absolutely incredible piece of property. If you are looking to own a piece of paradise in Costa Rica, this could be it. This property is just over 5 acres. It's located in a very private setting. It has a trifecta, and by this I mean a 150-foot waterfall that runs all year round, that is private on the property. You can see and hear this waterfall from the terrace right at the house. It's outstanding. As well as that, it also features a panoramic mountain view and a panoramic ocean view. From this property, you can watch both sunrises and sunsets. It's absolutely incredible. Take a look.